A couple of decades ago, the idea of talking to robot assistants on a daily basis seemed like science fiction. Today, if we need to find the nearest taco stand, dog park, or day spa, we have no problem asking Siri or Alexa for recommendations. From smartphones to smart speakers to smart TVs, conducting web searches with a virtual assistant is now a very normal thing. In many cases, it's faster, more convenient, and easier than typing in a query. Here's the catch, though: a typical voice search isn't the same as a text search. When we talk to our devices, we phrase our queries differently, closer to how we speak in real life. This fact means that SEO experts and marketers have needed to adapt to capture this growing group of searchers. As if that weren't enough, ranking for voice search is not easy. Devices that allow voice search tend to only list the top 1 to 3 results for a given query. To land that spot, you need top-notch content and a top-notch voice SEO. In this guide, we'll show you how to do it. Voice search optimization is a set of SEO techniques that make your content more likely to appear in voice search results. The goal of voice search optimization is to address common verbal queries in your content so that voice search technologies and virtual assistants present your page to users in voice search results. In a standard voice search, a user initiates a search with a phrase, example, Alexa or Hey Siri, followed by a question or statement, example, what are some good spas near me? Or when is the food truck festival? The device then responds with a spoken answer, or, if the device has a screen, it may display top results from a search engine results page. Voice search optimization aims to capture a spot in this specific kind of search. Subscribe IIDL for more video like this.